There is a place called Eden that seemingly is only accessible by boat or a trek through the jungle. I am going to try to prove that wrong today. I feel like there is a way I can make that through on a scooter. Yep, this here is my mode of transport, the 125cc Yamaha Filano. Check out those tiny little wheels. Let's see how we go. It's gonna be an adventure, I can assure you of that. Let's roll! Slippery. Away. Good start. That was hard. There's a pushing, but I feel like I'm probably sweating about as much as if I had have walked it, so all works out in the end. Now, if only we can get to Eden. That is the challenge. Push! Go, little scooter, go! Don't make me push you. Use all of the powers. Yes. Oh, that was, spoke to something. That was easy. A little bouncy. Push, push, push. Oh no. Oh, almost. Ooh. Well, it wouldn't be so bad if they didn't clear all the trees for all the shade. Oh, it's warm out here. Okay, we are back at the turn off for Eden. Fingers crossed we can get there, and even more fingers crossed, extra crossed, double hard cross. There is actually another road that leads out of there that I can follow, so I can push it up the hills if we get stuck, so I'm confident of that. Anything else? I have no idea what's ahead. Let's go! Yeah, so that excavator's cleared the road a bit, just till back there, and then from here I can barely see any car tracks. So interesting. Maybe just because it's just being cleared, or there is in fact just an inaccessible pass. We will see. We will see. This is not a well-worn track. Who's the stupid one for coming through here? Please don't be me. There's somebody watching me. Lots of somebodies. Monkeys! Cute monkeys. Oh yeah, I can see lots of them through there. Big family. Come say hi. I am certain now that nobody has ever ridden this scooter through here. It's tough. Okay, a little bit of free. Okay, I don't want to say we're through the worst of it, but I'm feeling positive because what I just went through was crap. So, fingers crossed, the rest of it is a little bit easier, and that there is that way out, because otherwise, I'm coming back through all of this. So. Well, that has not lasted long, because this road is crap. Pretty crap. So many big rocks. And my poor little tires, I'm so concerned for them. If I go to flat out here, that is not going to be fun. So I just take it real easy. Watch out for the pointy rocks. But over there it looks like it's clearing up, so let's get to there. It's definitely not getting easier. It's so eroded. Let's set them up again. Haven't given up, even though I'm so very sweaty and it's pretty stuck. Just nasty. But I'm still gonna keep going. It looks so cute there, so time for a break, huh? Oh, that was not fun. That was not fun at all. Please. Please be better. It isn't better. It's the worst I've seen. Jesus. Oh my goodness. So slippery. Oh. This is awkward. I can't exactly stop and self-film right now, but I'm sure it would look hilarious. If someone came across me like, what is this guy doing? Just wants to fall to that hole. Stay with me, girl. Okay, this is the worst of it, I think. Folks, looks like just on the other side of this peninsula hill here is sort of where the destination is. I'm excited for that. We're so close now. Final push. Stainless. Oh. Good thing it's a rental, right? Time to push again. Okay, I think this is it. This looks like the road. Look at these little cabanas. Doesn't seem like there's anyone in them, but if they want someone to test them out, keep them warm, I'm more than happy to do that. Well, I've made my way to a place. Not quite at the bar yet, so I have to backtrack. Almost there. I can do it. Up the hill. Over the bumps. Oh shit. Just climb. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Walking again. Yeah. I might be bleeding, but this girl, oh, not even a scratch. Just down this hill. Just down this hill is where we're going, and then back we're going that way. So hopefully the road stays a lot like that, because I'm sweaty. Hey friends. Any more of you? Bye monkey friend. What a little legend. I cannot believe what this has just done. Her underbelly is probably not as clean as it used to be, but on those tiny little tires, all of that adventure. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Look at your cute face. Okay, that's far enough. I think that I'm close to something. Hopefully some water. I can put my feet in. Oh, I see the water. I see the beach. We are close to Eden. Well, isn't this lovely? Let's please stand up. Wow. Okay. Damn. This is the good life. Oh, shut up. not expecting to find this. Oh my goodness. Damn. All these little cabanas all on there. But people are not coming here by scooter, that is for sure. May be bloody, I may be very sweaty, but oh my friends, I made it to Eden. Oh, and would I recommend doing it? Absolutely not that way. You can get a boat from here around the corner. Definitely the recommended path, but if I set out for a challenge to prove that you can ride to Eden, I have proven anyone that said that you can't do it wrong. So I'm pretty sure this is the entrance. There it is. Eden Bar. Oh, one of the best parties in the world apparently. May as well go have a dance, eh? No, but what a great day. Oh, I'm hoping the ride back is going to be significantly easier. That would be very nice. I'm going to chill out here for a while. It has been probably one of the hardest adventures that I've had in quite a long time. But if this is the payoff for it, I'll take it every time. Might have to come here for an actual party one day, hey? That sounds pretty fun. Okay, folks. Enjoy yourselves. Keep it real. And bye-bye. Not a bad place. Clean off some blood. Woo! So a little update from the way back. It's not easy. Don't do this. Don't do this.